What I see in the current youth is I see innovators and I see amazing creatives. The students that I work with right now are students who have amazing voices and they're passionate. They have no problem showing who they are, and I think that our entire world can learn from that. Learning how to be truly authentic in your own identity and sharing that with the world.
The history of Lift Every Voice, it was originally a poem written by James Weldon Johnson and was set to music by John Rosamond Johnson. And this poem was written in a very crucial time in America where slavery was abolished. Jim Crow laws were happening. It was just a lot of stuff happening at that time, especially to Black Americans. So this song was written to invoke the feeling of empowerment. It says, let's fight it. Let's continue to raise our voice. We're not gonna stop, we're not gonna give up. When going into high school, I noticed that we sang the national anthems. It was like any other song to me. And then the summer 2020 happened with the pandemic and brutal murders and killings of Black bodies around America. It was on the news, it was everywhere. It was something that was in discussion in every single conversation. I was asked to sing the national anthem at graduation. At first I said yes, but then I did some really hard thinking and I was like, this doesn't feel right. Why am I singing this? Especially at this time, why am I singing this song? What is the purpose of me singing this song right now at this graduation? Doesn't even matter. So I texted my vocals teacher, Miss Love. I told her that I do not feel comfortable with this, especially at this time it doesn't feel right. Thankfully, Miss Love heard me. Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring. Bring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won. Looking, marching, fighting till the victory is won. Hold your head up, brother, till the victory is won. Keep believing, sister, till the victory is won. Till that day comes, let us march on till victory is won. Is won.
What this song means to me is persistence, unity, just overall community.
Like saying keeping your head up, sister, hold your head up, brother. Basically helping each other.
That song on a personal note means spreading positivity everywhere, anytime, anywhere in the world.